Hi everyone, welcome back to English course with Aimen. If you're getting ready for the final exam, this video is exactly what you need. We'll go step by step through writing an informal email using clear and simple English. Before we start, don't forget to scan the QR code on the screen to download your free booklet for writing practice. Ready? Let's go. Let's begin with a greeting. In informal emails, always start in a friendly way. You can say, Hi Ahmed, hello Fatma, dear Salim. Now let's look at the introductory paragraph. Don't jump into the topic too quickly. Try using warm openers like, I hope you're doing well. It's been a long time. I miss you. I was so happy to get your message. As for the main paragraph, it depends on the topic of the question. This is where you give details, but remember to focus on the language required and the correct tense. Let's suppose your letter or email is about giving advice. Try these expressions. You should. I think you could. It's a good idea too. Don't forget to. All these expressions must be followed by a base form of the verb. But if the topic is about recommending a destination, use expressions such as, you should visit, the best place is, I recommend, you'll really enjoy. If the topic is about describing a shopping experience, use past expressions such as, I went to, we saw a big sale, I bought, while we were shopping. Telling a friend about a trip also requires the use of past expressions, like, I traveled to, I had never seen, we visited, I took photos. If you have to write an email asking for help, use these phrases. Could you help me with? I need your advice about. Do you know how to? I would be really grateful if. Now end your email with a kind and friendly sentence. You can say, Hope my message helps. Looking forward to your reply. Good luck with everything. Let me know how things go. Can't wait to hear from you. The last part of your email is the closing phrase. Choose a friendly phrase like, take care, yours, best wishes, see you soon. Let's review the structure of an informal email. Part 1 is the greeting. Number 2, friendly introduction. 3, the main paragraph. 4, final paragraph. And finish up with the closing phrase. Final language tip. In informal emails, keep your language simple and natural. Use contractions like your, didn't, with. Also use common linking words. So, but, also, then. And yes, you can use gonna instead of going to, or wanna instead of want to, but only with close friends. Great job, everyone. Now you know how to write an informal email for your final exam. Keep practicing and use all the tips we learned today. Thanks for watching English Course with Aimen, and good luck in your exam.